Alright, my viewers, I guess. So, I'm pretty sure I talked about this on the last video that I made. This is the four-wheeled robot thing, as opposed to my bipedal robot, which I will be making an update on soon. So, that's a thing. So this is basically done to the point where I can get it to move. In the last video, I showed it spinning one wheel because I didn't have a power source for it. But look off over there. That over there is a 12 amp hour lead acid battery, which can power this thing. So let's prepare to hook it up. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug in all these motors. These are Anderson power pole connectors. Makes it very easy to choose which motors you want to run. If you haven't seen all the videos about this robot, it's powered by 4 drill motors and controlled by relays, which are themselves controlled by an Arduino board. You can see we have alligator clips right here. That keeps it able to be powered by multiple things. Okay, here we are on the ground. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in, but before I plugged it in, I'm gonna unplug this, because this is the Arduino and the relays, and if we plug that in first, it will immediately turn on, which is not really what I want it to do. So this is probably a temporary solution now that I think of it. Looks pretty awkward right there, such a huge battery. It's not unreasonable to power a robot of the size of the lead acid battery, but maybe this size is a little too excessive. Okay, move. Wow, it still seems like it barely has any power, so like if I push it along, move. Move, please move. Let's get going here. Move it. Move your little robot behind. Let's get. You want to go this way? So, what I think's happening here is all the motors want to consume high amperage at the same time. So like, are the wires getting hot? Not really. Is it touching? Is everything plugged in? Okay. All right then. Not even a little bit. Okay, let's try unplugging some of the motors. So I unplugged one motor. It moved once. Unplugged 2 motors. Are you taking it? Not even a little bit. Okay, let's try lifting it up. Okay then. Okay, that didn't really work. So, a few things that I might be thinking are happening right here. Problem number one, it might be consuming too much power all at the same time. I could fix this by having the motors turned on at slightly different times, maybe. Or another problem that might be happening is they're not turning on for long enough, so maybe having it not turn it on and off so fast would solve the problem. Other than that, maybe the battery's still dead, which it shouldn't be, I just charged it. Or maybe I'm missing something else. So to be fair, I'm gonna plug everything in and try it again. So let's plug this. All these connectors are soldered together, so it shouldn't be in the connectors, which don't seem to want to get on. Yes, it is tough doing this with one hand. I'm just trying to do all the videos of this thing now before I don't have time again. Come on, plug it in. I should have mounted these on separate things. Okay, there we go. One last try just to... Maybe this is important. Alright then, I'm gonna fix whatever problem's happening here, and that'll be another video. Look for it when it comes out.